Welcome to the Getting the Most Out of G Suite workshop series. In this video, we will highlight some of the key features of Google Keep. Let's get started. What is Google Keep? Google Keep is a simple cloud-based note-taking app that allows you to create notes and to-do lists for personal or professional use. No additional software needed. It has a mobile version and a computer version that sync up, so you can access your notes from anywhere. It's essentially a digital sticky note that you can share with other people and access at any time. For this video, we will primarily focus on the computer version. Why should you use Google Keep? If you are already familiar with other G Suite products, it is already integrated into the system and adds quick access notes to already familiar forms. It shares many of the same features that Google products have, such as a robust search system, sidebar accessible navigation, and easy collaboration. You can easily switch between the mobile app and the computer to access your notes from anywhere connected to the internet. It can also send push reminders to your phone to help you stay organized. Now that I've shared the purpose of Google Keep, let's see how to access the program. If you're already logged into your Gmail account, click on the Google Apps menu in the upper right-hand corner and scroll down till you see the Keep option. Another way to access Google Keep is to click on the Keep logo on the right side of the email screen to open your notes, and then click on the Open in a New tab button to open it in full view. It might be hidden at the moment, so click on this small arrow at the bottom of your screen to expand it to view. This sidebar is accessible in Google Docs, Calendar, Slides, and Sheets as well. We will talk about this in further detail later in the video. Additionally, you can also type keep.google.com into your search bar to access Google Keep. We also recommend the mobile app if you want to use Google Keep on the go. Just go to your phone's app store and download Google Keep. The first thing I want to show you is how to create a new note. It is as simple as clicking this area right here that says Take a Note and typing. All notes have a title and body text for easy organization. You can directly make the note into a task list, note with drawing, or note with image by clicking on the three icons on the right of the note area. We will go into more detail about these features later in the video. For now, let's just create a normal note. Type the information you want and click Close to save it. It will then be moved into your collection. When focused on one note, you will have a set of tools on the bottom. We'll go over those buttons and features now. This button is to set reminders. You can set them for later in the day or weeks in advance. You can even set a reminder based on location. If you have Google Keep on your phone and you're connected through Google's location services, whenever you get close to the location, you will be reminded of what you set. For example, you can create a note that would remind you to make an appointment with a NoIL Center tutor when you get close to the University of Hawaii West Oahu. On the left-hand side, there's a table of contents where you can access all your reminders in one place. This next icon is to add collaborators. Similarly to other G Suite products, you can add people to view and edit your note. They will automatically have the ability to check off tasks, add or delete tasks, add more collaborators, and even archive the note. Since Google Keep is cloud-based, it logs down when the last edit was. When in grid view, you'll be able to see small icons of who has access to your note. This function can be useful for when you're working on a project that has a lot of steps in it. You can share Google Keep task list with your group partners and they can check it off as they complete their work. Next, this is the icon to change the background color of your note. There are a variety of options that help color code your notes similarly to real-life sticky notes. Google Keep even has these special backgrounds that you can use to add another layer of distinctness to the note. You can also add images into your notes. Click on the Add Image button on the bottom of the note and insert a photo from your computer. You can even transfer the image text into a note. Click on the small three dots and click on Grab Image Text to pull the text from the image into the note. It will scan the image for any words and phrases and then transcribe them into text. It's pretty good at reading, but may not be accurate, so it's always good to review it over. Use this when you have paper notes scrambled along your space and you want them all in one place, or when transferring information from things such as business cards. When you are done with the note and you don't want it cluttering up your space but don't want to outright delete it, you can archive it and save it for later. Archive notes are moved to a folder on the left for storage. This way, you won't lose the finished note and can refer back to it later if needed. If you do want to delete things, go to the three dots and you'll find a Delete Note button. Deleted notes will be moved into the trash where it will be stored for 7 days before permanent deletion. Next, we have labels. You can add a label to your note by going to the three dots and clicking Add Label. You can use labels previously made or create a new label by typing in the box and Create Your Label. I created some of these labels ahead of time. If you want to change the label, simply go to the three dots again and click Change Labels. Another way to change labels is by using hashtags. Type the symbol and your existing labels will pop up. On the left-hand side of the home screen, there is a table of contents that can help you easily access your note with labels. If you make a note while inside the specific label tab, it will automatically attach the label to the note. Another way to take notes is by adding a drawing. This is good for mobile users who have a tablet such as an iPad. You can use your tablet to take notes or sketch out ideas with a pen. It has very basic drawing functions such as the select tool, eraser, brush pen, straight pen, and highlighter. You can even change the type of paper into grids, dots, lines, or blank. It works the same way as any drawing-based note-taking app. Just draw on the paper. If you need to undo or redo a recent mistake, go to the top right-hand corner. If you run out of space on the screen, Keep will automatically add more space as you get to the bottom. When you're done, if you click on the 3 dots on the right, you can start a new drawing, export your image, or delete your current drawing. If you need to make a copy of your note, go to the 3 dots on the bottom right-hand corner and click Make a Copy. This will make an exact copy of your note. This can be used to make task lists that you can check off weekly or daily. Something really intuitive about Google Keep is the ability to swap between checkbox or text mode. Go to the 3 dots on the bottom right-hand corner and click Show Checkboxes. This will convert your text into checkboxes that you can check off. If you want to rearrange the order of the list, click and drag the left side. When clicked, the completed task will shift to the bottom. You can return it to your list by clicking the box again. If you want to change the checkboxes into text form, just go to the 3 dots and click Hide Checkboxes. Another neat feature of Google Keep is the table of contents on the left. It features easy access to the main page with all your notes, a reminders tab, all your different labels, a quick area to edit your labels, your archived area, and the trash. To reach the different sections, simply click on it and Keep will filter out the notes so only the ones that apply to the filter are visible. At the top, you can switch between grid view or list view. In grid view, you can see all your notes at once. You can click and drag the notes to arrange it however you want. In list view, all your notes are presented in a neat timeline with the most recent notes at the top. You can pin notes in Keep by clicking the pin icon on the upper right-hand corner of the individual note. This will keep the pinned note at the top and easy to access whenever you're in grid view or list view. If you want to make changes to multiple notes, click on the top left-hand corner of each of the notes you want to change. Then, 4 buttons should pop up on the top: the pin, reminder, background, and archive buttons. Click to apply the changes you want to make and it will automatically happen. In this example, I want to make all my school notes a red color, so I click on all my school notes and then click the background button to change them. In the settings, Google Keep has the ability to toggle between dark mode and light mode. Go to the settings in the top right-hand side and click on the gear, then click dark mode or light mode. Additionally, you can also find a set of keyboard shortcuts while using Keep to quickly make changes. Since this is a product of Google, it has amazing search capabilities. By going to the search bar at the top of the page, you can search for your note based on keywords inside the file, the type of file it is, the label, Google filtered keywords, people you share the note with, and even the color of the note. Additionally, since this is a part of the G Suite, you can easily access your notes in Google Keep from the comfort of your email, doc, slide, sheet, or calendar. Click on the little caret on the bottom right-hand corner of the page to pull out the right icon bar. Click on the Keep icon to access all your notes or to make new ones. You can take reminder notes while taking your main notes on a separate document. And when you're done, all the notes will appear in Google Keep with a URL link to the original document, email, or etc. Since the application is all about short-form tasks and reminders, it'll be really helpful to have reminders pop up on devices that you use often, such as a phone. Once synced up, you can easily write notes on your phone and they will show up on the computer with a quick click of a refresh button. Something that is really effective on the phone app versus the computer is the ability to do speech-to-text. Especially if you're on the go, you can quickly record a voice message to yourself and Keep will transcribe it for you. The note will contain the transcribed message and the actual voice recording as well. The camera on the Google Keep app is also pretty good at snapping a quick photo and then transcribing the message. The same process as uploading it on the computer. Now that you've learned how to utilize some of the basic Keep functions, let's close with some additional considerations. What are the pros and cons of using Google Keep? For pros, Keep has the ability to pull text from images to easily convert handwritten notes into digital task lists. The organization and labeling functions are very intuitive and customizable, so you can find and label all your notes however you want. Keep also has a sister app on the phone, which has the same functions as the computer and more. The biggest pro about using Google Keep is that it's integrated with the other G Suite products, so you can have your notes and reminders to the right of your documents, ready to go. It links each document or email to the note for easy access and convenience. For cons, it is very simple. If you're looking for a dedicated organization or notes app, it may be better to use an app like Evernote or OneNote. But if you just want some simple digital sticky notes, use Google Keep. As with other G Suite products, there will be a learning curve, but with some time and practice, I'm sure you can make Google Keep a part of your routine. That concludes the Google Keep video in our G Suite workshop series. We hope you'll browse through the list to continue exploring other videos in the series. Thank you for watching. You can complete the accompanying quiz below on our website and contact us in these ways below. Aloha!